Hello first grade. Today I'm going to go over how to select just right books. We've talked about this in the classroom. Mrs. Tellis has talked about it in the library, but I just wanted to go over it again. So as you're looking through the mentor authors for our next reading unit, you're picking an author that writes just right books for you. So let's go over the Goldilocks rule. Your books are too easy if you have read them many times. So if there is an author that you are very familiar with on the list, that is not the author for you. If you know and understand every word in the book, and it is just very simple to read because those are snap words, then that book is not right for you. If you can easily retell the story because you already know this book, then you have to select another author. The books are too hard if you open the book to any page and you begin reading like this. Remember, you're keeping track of how many words you do not know. If you do not know 5 or more words on one page, then that book is too hard. If you're reading and you're confused about what's happening, then that is not a just right book. If when you're reading your voice is choppy, so you are reading like a robot, that book is not right for you. Remember, you want to make sure that when you're reading, your words are smooth. So a book that is just right, if you can understand what is happening in the story, if when you're done reading, you can retell the key details, and if you can read most of the book by yourself, it is okay if there are some parts that maybe you need to ask for help, that's okay. But if you're asking for help a lot and you cannot read most of the book independently, then it's not right. So make sure that you select an author whose books you can understand and retell, and whose books you can read mostly by yourself. You are going to go through the collections on Epic, and you can use Sora if your parents have signed you up to use Sora, and you're going to just read through the books by the authors, and then you're going to select a mentor author. And on Tuesday, you are going to share that author with the class, and then we're going to begin studying their craft moves as both readers and writers.